Hi, Mr. Handyman, right here again. This time I'm gonna show you how we're going to start your water heater when it's off, right? Make sure your gas is on. Check the valve. The valve has to run the same way as the pipe. If the valve is like across the pipe, that means your gas is off. This is not sure the gas is on. You're gonna turn this knob. You're gonna put this line on pilot. See right there's the pilot thing. Alright, you're gonna feel how this press the button goes in. So press it, and this is the igniter. So keep pressing this and press the igniter. Wait for this light. Don't release the button until that blue light starts blinking. If it's not starting, press again the igniter. Alright, there's a light blinking. That means your pilot is on. Now it's working. Alright, so when the pilot is on, release the button and turn the knob at the temperature that you want to put it on. Alright, so this time I'm gonna put it on hot. And I don't know if you guys hear the sound. When the water heater starts, usually I touch a little bit, like putting my fingers, and I can feel the heat in there. So that's the way you're gonna turn your water heater, the new ones. I hope this video helps. Thank you for watching.